गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। लास्ट वीडियो में हम लोग बेसिक गेट्स डिस्कस कर लिए थे। इन टुडे वीडियो वी जस्ट डिस्कस अबाउट द यूनिवर्सल गेट। यानी द सेकंड कैटेगरीज ऑफ लॉजिक गेट इज यूनिवर्सल गेट। And why these gates are called universal gate? Because we can realize any basic logic gates by means of these gates. So universal gate is the gate. It is the gate through which we can realize, or you can say design, realize and design any basic gates, that is or and not. तो यूनिवर्सल गेट ऐसा गेट है जिससे हम कोई भी बेसिक गेट्स को बना सकते हैं। दैट्स व्हाई द गेट इज कॉल्ड यूनिवर्सल गेट। तो अंडर यूनिवर्सल गेट वी हैव again two types of gate, that is NAND gate and NOR gate. NAND gate and NOR gate. So today we will discuss about NAND gate. अब जैसे हम लोग बाकी बेसिक गेट्स के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स देखे, तो यहाँ पर भी NAND गेट को भी हम लोग उसी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स के बेसिस पर एनालाइज करेंगे। NAND गेट बेसिकली क्या है? दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड नॉट एंड गेट। नॉट एंड गेट, दैट मीन्स द लॉजिकल सर्किटरी जो आपका NAND गेट का है, दैट इज डिजाइन विथ एंड गेट फॉलोड बाय नॉट गेट। So we have AND gate, and outcome is this one, and final outcome is A dot B complement. So and NAND gate is designed with the help of AND gate followed by NOT gate. So combinedly we have a symbol for NAND gate in this manner: Y is equal to A dot B complement, and we just differentiate we just discuss the NAND gate on the basis of some characteristics. So first characteristics we just discuss about the conclusion part. What is the output conclusion? यानी कि in which manner the NAND gate generating the outcome. So because it is the logic gate designed with the AND gate followed by NOT gate, so whatever outcome generated by the AND gate, we just have opposite, or we can say complement of that output in case of NAND gate. So whatever conclusion of AND gate we have, we just take the opposite conclusion for NAND gate. So here we take output is high, that is 1, when in case of AND gate your output is high when all its input is high. So here we just check out this one. Output is low in place of high. Output is low, that is 0, when all its input is high. Otherwise output is high, that is 1. So this is the conclusion for generation of output through NAND gate. Second characteristics is the logical expression. Logical expression for NAND gate is Y is equal to A dot B complement if AB is used as a variable in the expression. Now the third characteristics is the logical symbol. So because the logic circuit of AND gate, NAND gate is designed with the help of AND gate followed by NOT gate. So this one is your standard logic symbol. Standard logic symbol. And finally we discuss the truth table. So the truth table of NAND gate having two input is, because again here number of input is 2, so we have 4 combination of input row. On the basis of the conclusion 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1, so 0 0, that means once all input is high then the output is low, and in rest cases the output is high. So this is the truth table for the NAND gate. In next video we will discuss about the NOR gate.